Welcome to video series on intrusion detection system. So what is intrusion? So basically intrusion is an action of putting oneself deliberately into a place or situation where one is uninvited or unwelcomed. So what is intrusion in a computer system? It is simply an unauthorized access of the computer system. Types of intruders. Let us first know who or what are intruders. Intruders are the one who intrudes privacy of a network. There are basically three types of intruders, which we will discuss in this video. Masquerader. The literal meaning of masquerader is one who pretends to be someone else. Masquerader in types of intruders is a person intruding a system pretending to be a legitimate user. The person is not a legitimate user, but he or she tries to portray that he or she is a legitimate user trying to use the system, but in reality they are intruding the system. Misfeasor is second type of intruder we are going to discuss on this topic. The literal meaning of misfeasor is one who performs lawful action in illegal manner. Misfeasor are the legitimate users who intrude the system. There are two types of misfeasor. One is a legitimate user with no permission. This person accesses the data of the files in which this person has no permission to access the data on. But keep in mind, this person is a legitimate user with no permission to access a certain file, but he or she uses that file. Legitimate user with permission. This kind of misfeasor misuses his or her privileges and intrude data of the files. Another type of intruder we are talking in this lecture is clandestine user. Clandestine user is a person who tries to gain privileges of the supervisor. The activities of the user is hidden in the log file. It seems as if the supervisor has performed unlawful action in this situation. Finally, let's jump into intrusion detection system. Intrusion detection system is a system simply trying to detect intrusion that has occurred. One of the important things to keep in mind is intrusion detection system does not prevent intrusion from happening. It simply analyzes the result or log file after intrusion has occurred, and it makes a rule based on the intrusion to prevent future intrusion.